With the release of iOS 17 and iPadOS 17, some users are facing an issue where the update is taking up too much storage space. The initial download for iOS 17 and iPadOS 17 is around 3 GB, which seems manageable to most. However, the real shocker comes when the update is installed. Before we dig deep into it, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Users report that during the installation process, the update takes almost 15 to 20 GB of storage space on their devices. For those who own 64 GB models, the storage debacle is particularly distressing. They say updates are supposed to enhance their device and not consume a significant chunk of their available storage. This excessive storage consumption during updates leaves users with limited space for their photos, videos, apps, and other essential data. On the flip side, there are users who face an even more disheartening issue as they are unable to install the update in the first place due to the low storage space. It's a frustrating scenario, and some are left feeling left out of the latest advancements in iOS and iPadOS. The silver lining in this situation is that the excessive storage consumption during the update process is often temporary. After some time, the system goes through an indexing process and storage consumption gradually returns to a more reasonable level. We hope that Apple addresses this problem in future updates to ensure a more seamless and hassle-free experience for its loyal customer base. That said, we'll update our article about this issue as we get more information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.